I couldn't believe I found this. Dippin' Dots make slime? Let's see if $7 worth of slime is worth it. That does not look like Dippin' Dots. You get hoodwinked because the packaging, it has all the Dippin' Dots looking stuff, and then you get this and it's like a blob. I know there's no such thing as like a slime that looks exactly identical to this, but like, come on. Wait, so is this even slime? It definitely smells like banana split. Yeah, this kind of just feels like Play-Doh. Let's try cotton candy. I have high hopes because it does actually smell. All right, the problem is this doesn't even smell like cotton candy. It kind of just smells like a berry, which I guess isn't bad. It should smell like the thing. Like cotton candy smells like cotton candy. Everybody knows what that smells like. To be fair, it does say dough on the jar. Cookies and cream, this could be really gross. Nothing like a beige colored dough. Out of all the colors of the rainbow, you went with green. Like a light blue would look so much better. This one actually smells like the thing, but oh, that's kind of gross. I don't love that. I'm gonna have to say this one is not worth it.